Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a quick little video because I go to work I work in 34 minutes. And I start at 8:30. So yeah, early shift for me, and yeah, I'm actually God, wearing my Dallas cut because we won yesterday. Even though we're a pretty bad team right now, 3-6 right now. But yeah, I'm just supporting my team. But yeah, this is a quick little update. I have a stadium, so I'm looking at my other phone. One of my stadiums I ordered 2 days ago should be here today, and I will be recording that after 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time because I get off at 4. But yeah, this is gonna be a quick little update because I know you guys been asking me or wanting me to do more Josie battle. Sparking day battles, and that will be done today. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.